Oh, come on. No, not that. Come on, what are you doing?
Aw, Sammy, you've been playing for hours already. Enough, maybe?
Just a little more.
Yeah, Sue, what are you saying? He's almost there. Keep it up,
A little
Ink.
more. Just a tiny,
Come on,
teeny
Sammy.
tiny. Come on. I'm almost there.
Oh no, not again! Stop making noise! Hey, you there! I said quiet! Oh, this might work. Well now, let's see how much fun you will have.
Oh my, what's going on?
What? I didn't save. Now we have to start over.
Oh, come on! What is going on?
I'm such a loser.
Sammy, don't be upset. I know what will cheer you up.
You mean new crafts? That would be nice.
Yeah, wipe your tears and let's go.
Hi all. Today we... no, I can't do that. I'm too upset. Gotta lay down.
Oh, poor Sam. Come here. We've already arranged a place for you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, there.
What is freaking me here? I can't rest like that.
Hey, you're crazy.
What is this doing here? Are you kidding me? What am I, the princess and the pea?
Huh, interesting. This could make a great toy. First, let's make a wireframe for it. We'll connect several pieces of wire together and bend the edges like this. What position should I put you in? Maybe I'd better do it like this? Yes, perfect. Somewhere here I had a blue...
Oh, this is kind of
Hey,
soft.
I need it. Well, any ideas? Who's it gonna be? A blue rainbow friend.
I sure stop talking. I can't sleep like
Oh,
that.
Sammy. By the way, this button could come in handy. Hop, and we'll draw the rest. You know what, Sammy? You can sleep with this toy.
Oh, how cool it turned out. We'll take a royal nap. Oh, you are the best, Sue.
Ow!
It's not fair. Why are you always being praised? I also know how to make cool toys, and I'm gonna prove it. Now, let's take a curler and make the legs of the green rainbow friend out of it, like this. To connect them to the body, we'll need a small opening, approximately like this. And literally just a drop of hot glue. And hop! Great! In a similar way, we'll make hands. Bam! Now let's take some air plasticine and carefully close the joints on our cool toy.
I'm sorry, I could have helped you, Samantha, but my hands turned green.
And here are the plasticine palms. Oh, how unhappy I am.
Wait, how do you know he's unhappy? I don't see any stuff.
Thanks, Sue. And the eyes are in place. We only need to draw a mouth. So...
Wow, you really know how to make cool toys. Well done.
Hop, hop, hop.
Oh, this is cozy. Stay tuned. Sam, Sue, girls, where are you?
Oh, Sammy, it's so easy to scare you.
But what's here to be afraid of? This is a cool anti-stress craft.
Well, apparently in slimes, it only causes stress.
But our viewers are not slimes, right? Now I'll show you how it's done. Watch carefully a step-by-step tutorial. Hop. The main thing here is to take a square-shaped piece of paper, like for an origami.
There are a lot of videos with paper crafts on our channel. Don't forget to check them out.
Just a couple more folds like this, and then like this. And if you do everything right, this is what you should get in the end. Hop. Here we go. Here, look.
Fine, let me try. Well, what to draw? Oh, I just love making these foldable toys. In this one, we can fit 3 different characters at once. Can you imagine?
Are they out of their minds?
This marker squeaks a little. Oh well. So we'll draw all 3 characters in turns. As you can see, I started with...
Make way, Susie. Did you think you would deprive me of my favorite part? No way! Huh? That ain't something
Hey,
to
sis, do you
you!
Not
mind?
at all.
Whatever, do everything yourself!
Oh, come on, Sammy, don't hold grudges. We all will color a little. Just check out how great we did. Hop, hop, hop.
Oh, it looks so cool. Only I haven't crafted at all yet. Fine.
By the way, this is easy to fix.
Of course. I'll show you now. Once again, we need a piece of paper that will fold several times.
Now I'll help you, Sue. To keep it all together.
And you were worried that you didn't participate in crafting. Perfect. It remains only to add colors to our drawing. Well, let the battle begin. Haha. The green is somewhat like a referee. Cool, huh?
Yeah, very cool.
An amazing craft. We're gonna drum, all right? Hey, what are you?
Whoosh! It's your cue, Sam.
Up. Phew, the battery's charged. You can cut it out.
Thanks, Sammy. Sue, can you help?
Oh, sure.
In the meantime, I'll take... What happened here?
Sorry, Samantha. Raxie thought it was grass and chewed on it.
Yeah, well, it's okay. Let's do it like this. Now we'll glue a paper sheet on top and get a frame. Let's apply some glue right here to stick the battery that Sue kindly cut out. Here we go. Oh, looks like the battery's dying.
What are you doing, Sue? Did you decide to cut everything here?
Ah, Sammy, you're panicking for nothing. I do everything as planned. You'll see for yourself in a second. We'll glue one half of the character on the left and the other one on the right.
And we get this funny thing.
Well, this craft is super easy. Give it a thumbs up, people, and don't go anywhere because we're not done yet, right?
Ah, right.
Okay. Oh, I love all kinds of anti-stress toys. And you, friends?
If yes, subscribe to our channel. And right now, we'll show you how you can make them.
First, turn this square into a triangle. Now, one more time. Now, we bend two opposite corners to the middle, like this.
We'll make two more bends to the center to get something like this. A candy.
Candy? Huh? Did someone say candy? We're starving here. Oh.
You know what? He who doesn't work, neither shall he eat. And now that I'm finishing this piece, I can have a bite.
I'm done with mine too. Well, let's have a nice snack.
Here, are you happy now?
Oh, come on, Sam. We were just joking. We would feed you without any crafts. Now look closely. Turn the corners like this. Add some glue. Yeah, so that nothing falls apart. Carefully open it and get such a cube.
And I made a few more. Let's glue them together, shall we?
Let's hop.
And you can enjoy your new toy.
You know, the pop tube is good, but I prefer Pop It. Watch our previous videos on the channel if you want to learn how to make it yourself.
Or just keep an eye on my hands. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Ew, it's a bit of a laborious process, of course, but here's what it should look like in the end. Sammy, how many of these thingies will be enough?
150! No, let's make it 300, or better yet, 3,000!
I think 16 would be good too.
Okay, but you owe me one more paper toy.
No problem. Samantha, can you help?
Easy. A secret combination and boom! Hey, where's one more cube?
Don't be tricky with magic, but train your fingers and mind in the art of origami.
Okay, Master Sam. So let's fold the paper in half and one more time. What's next?
Don't you remember the edges to the center? Hop, hop, easy.
Oh, thanks. Now just connect all 6 parts in turns until you get a cube. Up. Now let's glue them. A little help? Nope. Not that again. That's better. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our infinite super mega paper cube. Hop, hop, and like that. Ouch!
What
I
happened?
broke my nail. Where's the file?
Wait, there's a better idea. Here, Susie, I barely got everything you needed. You're on your own now.
Okay, take a break. And we'll take some air plasticine and give it a square shape. It should be rather tiny, see? Decorate the edge with a gray plasticine strip, like this. 1, 2, and the eyes are right there. We'll draw the pupils with a marker. It remains only to add a couple of long, tenacious hands and we'll get purple rainbow friend.
Whoa, how cool is he? We won't stop at one finger, right? Yeah. Well, check it out.
Wow, how cute and cool they all are.
And now it's time to admire everything we've made today. Let's go!
Oh, we had so much fun today, and we've crafted a lot.
You don't say. I even got a new manicure.
What's the matter?
What's that
What's
sound?
happening?
Keep it down!
Our neighbor from downstairs is angry again. Maybe we should give him something of this. For calming the nerves, you know?
Great
right.
idea,
Let's do
Sammy.
it.
Huh? What is this? The doorbell? Who on earth can it be? Nobody's here. Oh! Huh. This is very interesting.
Here you go. Now you also know how to appease a grumpy neighbor. Subscribe to our channel and watch our videos. Bye!
Uh-oh. Can someone get Gary a candy bar or something? He's just not himself when he's hungry. Come on, you guys used to be close. And you can get closer. Okay, it's time for the gang to emerge better than ever. Plus, there's more. Just enough for a dance party. What a pretty carrot. Judy will just eat him up. But first, he could sure use a bit of a trim. Or is this pruning? Either way, looking sharp. You tip your barber with blocks? No wonder they're always sweeping. Still, how else are they gonna make a bunny buddy of their very own? Unless you're feeling a bit foxy. Up next, an egg? And look what's inside! Gary! Ooh, he's a 3D printed toy. Careful, he sure likes to get around. Don't worry, he's completely harmless. Why, he'll coil himself all over your heart. Talk about finger food. A popsicle paw. Have a lick, Judy. Uh-oh, catch that drip. We can use it to make even tinier ice pops. Too late. Well, no use crying over spilled syrup. You'll like this new treat better. We really left our mark, too. Of course, with the sand and hot glue, it's not a treat to eat. Add a stick. Carve it out of the sand. And it's an everlasting popsicle. A marble. Those don't go in your mouth. A balloon makes much more sense. Make room for air. Let's add a pair of eyes. Now, where have we seen those before? It's Nick! Now our balloon party can really start. After all, what's a party without balloons? Ooh, look! We've got Zootopia blind boxes! Hey, Nick, Judy, and Bellwether have 2 variants. How cute! It's like a La Zuzu, Nick. But he's looking lonely. Let's get him some friends. Well, we can't have Nick without Judy. But I wonder if one of them's getting a twin. Guess not. It's Bellwether. At least we've got one of each. Let's just hope she's out on good behavior. Ah, when you've got cardboard, you've got the world. And this one's got our favorite bunny, Judy Hopps. But we're gonna need to make some room. After all, Judy wants something to eat. Grab the chopsticks. Why don't you try some gummy worms? After all, you tried the real thing in the sequel. Uh-oh, I think we gave her too much. Maybe we could get something healthier. Not that. That's more like it. A fresh carrot, straight out of the dirt. Of course, the soil holds all sorts of buried treasures. Yeah, some carrots are really more her speed. And just imagine what her eyesight must be like.